If your hosting is about to expire or you simply want to make sure your website stays live without any interruption, this video is for you. Today I'll show you exactly how to renew hosting in just a few simple steps. This is a quick process, but it's important because keeping your hosting active means your website, emails, and online services stay up and running. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy website and hosting guides. Let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account. You can do this by going to the Hostinger website and signing in with the email and password linked to your hosting plan. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a moment to look at the left-hand menu. This is where Hostinger keeps most of the account and billing options you'll need. Next, click on Billing in the left menu. This section is where you manage payments, invoices, subscriptions, and renewal settings. If you have more than one service on your account, this area helps you keep everything organized in one place. After opening Billing, look for the Subscriptions tab or section and click on it. This is where Hostinger shows all of your active and upcoming hosting plans. Now find your hosting plan in the list. If you manage several services, make sure you select the correct one so you don't update the wrong subscription. Once you've found your hosting package, check the renewal options available for it. In most cases, the key thing you'll want to do is enable auto-renewal. Turning on auto-renewal means Hostinger will automatically renew your hosting before it expires, which helps prevent downtime and avoids the risk of forgetting to renew manually. If auto-renewal is already enabled, that's great. Your hosting should renew automatically as long as your payment method is valid and there are enough funds available. If it's not enabled yet, switch it on now and confirm any prompts that appear. Depending on your account settings, Hostinger may also ask you to verify your payment method or update your billing details. If that happens, follow the on-screen instructions carefully and make sure everything is correct. It's also a good idea to review your renewal date while you're here. That way, you know exactly when your hosting will be charged and renewed. If you don't want to rely on auto-renewal, you can also use this section to renew manually when needed. But auto-renewal is usually the easiest way to avoid service interruptions. Once everything is set, double-check that your hosting plan is active and that the renewal settings are saved. At that point, you've successfully renewed your Hostinger hosting or made sure it will renew automatically going forward. That means your website stays online, your files remain accessible, and you can focus on building your site instead of worrying about expiration. And that's it. A simple way to renew Hostinger hosting in just a few clicks. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Hostinger tutorials, WordPress guides, or website management tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.